Ladies and gentlemen, the woman of the moment. Put your hands together for the one, the only Shilpa Shetty. I'm blinded now.
या ये आना चाहिए भाई.
Can I just say something before you start? किसी बड़े विद्वान आदमी ने कहा है किसी के बाल अच्छे हैं, किसी की स्किन अच्छी है, बट हियर समवन जो ऊपर से नीचे इन टोटलिटी अच्छी है. शी इज नॉट जस्ट अ फैशन आइकन, शी इज अ फिटनेस आइकन. थैंक यू सो मच शिल्पा फॉर डूइंग दिस. वर देयर मैसेजेस दैट पीपल केप्ट आस्किंग यू ये करना चाहिए एंड यू डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस?
Very good evening to everyone present here. A lot of you have been part of my journey, part of my success. So I have you to thank for putting me in a position where I can actually make myself of use to the universe. This really has been one of my most exciting, most passionate ventures. I don't want to really call it a venture. It is a transition. When I was young and people asked me what I wanted to be, I had no idea. When I became an actor, I thought that is what I wanted to be and that was going to be my calling. With God's grace, I got a lot from that milieu. But today, if you ask me what I want to be, I really want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. And I couldn't have done it better through this medium, through the Shilpa Shetty channel, which I'm here to launch today. This, I have discovered over the years, is my calling. And it really comes from the heart. Because the universe has given me so much, it's time for me to give back. And I thought there's no other better medium than going digitally to be able to, for people to have access and the right kind of knowledge about health. So when people compliment me and say that, oh my God, Shilpa, how do you look like this? Or you look the same, and how do you do it? I tried writing the book and I thought that would, suffice. And then through my Instagram, I realized that people actually follow it to see what I eat. And I try to, encourage people to make that modification, that lifestyle modification. And then I realized I'll have to kind of make it bigger and magnify it. And then the idea came about with this that we are launching today. It's all encompassing. We've got 3 themes, the art of balance, the art of strengthening, and the art of loving food. Most people think that fitness is only about going to a gym or have some kind of regimen in terms of whether it be cardio or weight training or Pilates and Zumba and that's it. वो कर लिया तो मतलब उनको लगता है कि weight loss होगा. But what most people don't understand is that if you don't pay attention to what you are putting within you, or what goes into you is what actually makes a big difference to your body, to your mental health. That needs to be focused upon. So it's 70% food and nutrition and 30% some kind of activity. It can even mean walking up the stairs. Okay? But if your food is right, and if you have knowledge on that, you will be able to achieve the kind of fitness you want. And I'm not talking about any kind of size. What could be fit to you may not be fit to someone else. But let me explain the meaning of fitness. Fitness is when you feel healthy. When you are able to be agile. Someone who's 104 kilos, if he can do burpees, he's fit. If someone is able to, if someone is very, very fit and who can't sit down like this, he's not fit, mister. And a lot of people can't do it. People have issues going down on their haunches because we're just leading such fast-paced lives that we have no time to look inward, to think about the kind of food we're putting into our system, to read the back of labels, to take a breath of fresh air, or even chew our food. How many of you even chew your food more than 20 times? We don't. So it's kind of my way of making people realize that these are the things that should be given importance. I've embarked on this journey. I really hope I'm able to achieve. I really think I would have achieved some kind of success if I have one person coming to me and saying that, you know, Shilpa, I didn't give up because of you. So I really hope that happens with the Shilpa Shetty channel. It really comes from the heart, and I really hope all the people from the media help me achieve this dream, because this is the only thing that I don't want to make money out of. I really mean it. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. I know eventually everything makes money and all of that, but I really hope to see a healthier universe. And I don't want to restrict it to just saying India. I think it's everyone's inalienable right to be healthy and to have the right kind of knowledge. It's quite scary, the kind of knowledge that is out there sometimes. Most of the websites that I open, I want to shut immediately because it's quite disorienting. So for someone who can't afford a gym, who can't afford a nutritionist, who doesn't have the time after looking after her family and her child to go to, a place and work out, you can actually just log on, whether it be my website, whether it be YouTube, and it's all accessible on the phone. I've just made it easy, and I've kept it simple, and I really hope this is going to be possible. I think I've said it all, so you don't need to ask me any questions.
No. There's someone else also who embodies all the things that you just mentioned. So I think I should just step back
Yes,
and let
Surya.
you introduce this very special gentleman who's also here today.
So when I thought of launching this baby of mine, I thought, who should I call who actually would be synonymous with my philosophy, with this channel, with how people should actually aim to be. And I want to just tell you something about the gentleman who's going to join us. He's not coming in the capacity of him being a star, that he is. He's someone I have respect for, because I remember I live on the beach, and there was a time when I used to wake up at 6 in the morning, and I used to see this boy alone on the beach right in front of my house, doing martial arts, doing these somersaults, and doing it alone. And then sometimes I would take my dog for a walk and I'd do a double take, and he had curly hair at that time. And I'd be, who is this guy? Isn't he the same guy that I'd see in the morning? तो 6 बजे सुबह हो या 6 बजे रात को मैंने इस बच्चे को देखा है. मैं उसको बच्चा ही बुला रही हूँ because I've really seen him from such a young age, and this is before he became an actor. He leads his life with a lot of discipline, which I'm trying to explain to people that in life, if you want to reach a certain place, a certain kind of fitness, body or whatever, you have to put in a bit of hard work. There has to be a discipline. And this is what this actor has. He truly is an inspiration. I call him the true tiger of the fitness jungle. The true tiger in this fitness jungle. Let's invite on stage the superhero who my son is a huge fan of, Tiger Shroff.
That's the flying jut, ladies and gentlemen. Louder applause, yeah. Come on. Let's not be like a miser today. Tiger, take the mic.
Thank you. Hi. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, Shilpa ma'am, for thinking I'm worthy of standing by you and, talking about the ideals of fitness and talking about how fitness is such a holistic term. When like Shilpa ma'am rightly said, I mean, I don't even know why I'm talking. She said it so perfectly. Uh, there's so much more to fitness than just going to a gym. There's so many aspects to it. But yeah, would you like me to
Tell
say
us,
something?
I want you to tell them, and I want to say this, I don't think Tiger would, do the kind of fitness regime or eat the kind of food he eats differently if he wasn't an actor, right?
Absolutely. I think it's also, I don't like using the word diet when it comes to fitness because that sounds very depressing,
Yeah.
you know. Fitness is also a state of mind. It's a state of, if you're happy, that means you're fit, So if you're restricting yourself from some foods, that's not a bad thing. You can make healthy foods tasty as well. There's so many healthy, natural recipes you can have to, make your food consumption, happy and tasty. That being said, why I'm here? Well, I'm here because, first of all, I'm a big fan of Shilpa Shetty, of course. I love her son. He's actually the real flying jet. He was doing my stunts in the film. He was my double. But yeah, we are here to launch Shilpa Ma'am's website, and I think it's fantastic, especially because it's the digital age. Everything is on the internet nowadays. So we have people just ordering food, groceries, their everyday, day-to-day things online, and this is like your one-stop shop for healthy lifestyle and fitness. I don't use fitness. I'm going to say lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, because it's more holistic, like we've been discussing. That being said, you can ask a myriad questions such as related to fitness or healthy lifestyle, such as, what are the foods we can consume to lose weight? Healthy, natural, fat-burning foods. What can I eat before a workout? What can I eat or drink after a workout? How do I work out on my own? So this website can offer all these solutions. I mean, we've got experts answering all these questions for you. So, guys, I think it's time to live a happy, fit, new lifestyle with the queen of fitness herself, Shilpa Shetty. Thank you.
Very, very kind of you. I'd like to call my mum on stage now to launch. I really think in life nothing is possible to achieve without the blessings of our parents.
Definitely, yeah.
And
absolutely.
and we'll come on the side. So I'd like the thing here.
Background ka light.
So we have obviously the younger generation. So there is Tiger and the likes who obviously follow him, but there's also the women out there who my mum represents and who's very, very socially active, let me tell you. She's more active on Facebook than even me. Yeah. So with dad's blessings and with yours, mum, today I want you to, be the first person to log in, okay? So come on, do it.
Either.
So we're going live, guys. Today is the first time we're going to log into the website. Yeah. This is not all that I'm doing. There's a lot more, so you have to log in to find out. This is just the promo. So I will be cooking personally to show people that if I can do it, you can do it. It's very, very simple to cook, and I think the USP of all the recipes that I will be doing on my channel are quick, because I hate getting into the kitchen where it's long drawn out and my hair is going to frizz. So for all those women out there, especially all those working women who feel that, it's very hard to maintain a lifestyle or to maintain their husband's lifestyle with healthy cooking, I'm going to prove them all wrong.
We should
This
definitely
is
ask
where you
that
need to
question to
go.
Raj also. These 5-minute dishes. Clearly, butter chicken you'll not find there. So what-
we have jeera chicken, which is
Jeera-
made in ghee.
So I have a question to ask the both of you. Like, I'm gonna just tell you a couple of dishes. I wanna actually know if you. When was the last time you tasted this? Eating though is out of the question. Like,
Oh God.
Pizzas.
Yesterday. I know I shouldn't be saying this right now on this platform, but yes, I do.
yesterday
Yesterday was
Sunday?
my cheat day.
Oh, so you also have
So
a
yeah.
See, we all have a cheat day.
Okay.
That's a secret.
This butter chicken, like a chicken dish with gravy or something.
I have chicken. I have ghee chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Ghee is good for you
Yeah.
guys. I had ghee even today. I
Rice.
have ghee every day. Every day.
तो ये
Rice
आपके
I eat
लिए
every day.
ये चावल और घी कहीं और से बन के आता है क्योंकि हमारे ऊपर वो असर क्यों नहीं होता है फिर
चावल कितना खा रहे हो वो मुझे पता नहीं और कितनी बार आप चू भी कर रहे हो वो भी नहीं मुझे पता. हाँ.
I should take a back seat.
और कितने बजे आप खाना बंद करते हो ये भी बताइए. ये मुझे लगता है 7 बजे के बाद कुछ खाता नहीं होएगा. है ना?
I think yeah, absolutely. I think after 6-7 p.m. I usually don't really. I cut back on my calories. Usually carbohydrates I don't consume.
Some people have saved puri in their eyes at 6 or 7.
But yeah, you're absolutely right, man.
See, I just think that with what Tiger is saying and what I'm saying, I just think that anyone you think, if that person looks the way he looks or she looks, and if you think it's happening just like that, that's not possible, my friend, because everything needs a bit of work. It's not possible for you journalists to be writing a great article without working on it, right? So if that takes work, and this is actually far more easier to do, no, Tiger? If you just believe that that is the lifestyle you want to make. And with that, like he very rightly said, the word diet is something that is very demoralizing for people. The minute you say diet, you think, अरे फीका खाना, इसमें तेल नहीं होगा, इसमें taste नहीं होगा. So I really want to debunk those myths. I really, through this channel, I really hope that we're able to prove to people that it is really easy to get yourselves into a routine. So we're going to start with the basics through this channel, and then obviously in 6 months I will be throwing challenges. I will be making or rather inspiring people enough to be able to join the challenge and lose literally 5 kilos in maybe 21 days. So I aspire to do that. And there are a lot of people out there who need the right information, who need the help to be able to do that. So I really hope. Thank you so much, Tiger, for being there and supporting me
Thank
on
you for
this,
having me.
on
Thank
this venture. Really, I don't think I could have made it possible without you.
Thank
I
you
really,
so much. Thank
I
you.
wanted people to understand that, you know, it's not easy to just be there and achieve your dreams and to be looked up to just like that. So he's someone that and he's so young, you know, he can afford to do what the hell he likes. And most people, I feel, reach that age of really getting wasted and, you know, say, "Arey yaar, abhi to bahut lambi life baki hai." And then they'll end up with some kind of ailment, and then they'll say, "Oh shit, sorry, wrong, bad language." Yeah, you should never use language like that. Oh shoot, I said. So,
Oh fit.
yeah, oh fit. Yeah. So,
शो को फो बोलते हैं.
so I really hope people, you know, end up I really hope people, this generation, this next generation, which I really think is very, very special, this is the generation that you belong to and that you inspire, really start taking care of themselves and not letting go of themselves to a point where they have to then rework backwards, you know. So it's a great time, and I'm so happy that I've managed to do this. So I think Tiger has to leave, so we'll just do like a photo
Great,
op
okay.
with him, and we have to let him go. But hello, the most important thing, we saw all of this, Tiger, sorry, without we can't let you go so easy. I have to call the person who is my partner in crime, because I have explained all the spiel, but the major bit to come here and explain to our audiences how this website functions. So the man behind DG Osmosis and my partner in crime, who has actually made this entire thing happen and possible. Manish Kumar, please, where are you?
Manish Kumar from DG Osmosis. There he is.
So तकनीकी बातें जो मुझे समझ में नहीं आती,
सारे
वो
nuts and
आपको-
bolts किए
हाँ
चले.
जी, हाँ जी, हम थोड़े से पुराने जमाने के लोग
हेल्थ
हैं।
के बारे में बोलूँगा तो ऑब्वियसली लोग हंसने लगेंगे यहाँ. अच्छा, whatever, at least I know the best. That's digital, and the most important thing, okay, audible? Oh, sorry. So we have been talking for a while. Shilpa herself spoke about the Shilpa Shetty channel. We spoke about the YouTube channel. We launched the website. But the fact is, we are really not here technically to launch any of it, because we are launching a complete digital content platform, if I have to put it right. आज अगर हम बात करें, एक ज़माना था हम बात करते थे कि वेबसाइट लॉन्च हो रही है, ऐप लॉन्च हो रहा है. आज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म या डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म की कमी नहीं है. आज सारे कंजम्पशन डिजिटली हो रहे हैं. चाहे जैसे शिल्पा ने बताया, वो एज ग्रुप पे भी डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. पहले होता था हाँ 18 से 25 साल के लोग डिजिटल पे होते हैं, बट आज बच्चे और घर के हस्बैंड ऑफिस जाते हैं और आधे घंटे के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा अगर फेसबुक और यूट्यूब पे ट्रैफिक आता है तो वो हाउसवाइफ्स के थ्रू ही आता है. इन द सेम वे जितने लोग रिटायर कर चुके हैं आज अपने दोस्तों के साथ फिर से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं फेसबुक के थ्रू, और ये सारे नंबर वहां ग्रो कर रहे हैं. बट विदाउट टॉकिंग टू मच अबाउट जस्ट सोशल मीडिया, द फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ इज आज VOD नाम का प्लेटफॉर्म है, आज OTT नाम का प्लेटफॉर्म है, आज सोशल मीडिया नाम का प्लेटफॉर्म है. प्लेटफॉर्म्स की कमी नहीं है. DTH भी एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है. आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में देखी जाए तो कम से कम 50 से 60 हजार प्लेटफॉर्म होंगे. सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में 150 से 200 अलग प्लेटफॉर्म है. अंतर खाली यही है कि हर प्लेटफॉर्म एक अलग ऑडियंस के लिए बनी है. भले कोई ये ना समझे कि OTT क्या होता है, VOD क्या होता है, IPTV क्या होता है, 3G क्या होता है, 4G क्या होता है, पर हम सब ब्रांड नेम जानते हैं. हम सब जानते हैं कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स है, कुछ Amazon कहलाता है, कोई Amazon प्राइम कहलाता है, कुछ iTunes कहलाता है, कुछ वोडाफोन 3G कहलाता है, कोई रिलायंस जियो कहलाता है. पर इन सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के थ्रू अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग तरीकों के कंटेंट को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. आज 15 साल 18 साल के बच्चे स्नैपचैट पे होते हैं, 15 से 20-22 साल के बच्चे इंस्टाग्राम पे होते हैं, 30 प्लस रादर आज फेसबुक पे होते हैं. सो कहीं पे आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट चाहिए जो 30 सेकंड के होते हैं, कहीं आपको 20 मिनट की भी वीडियोस की जरूरत है जहां पे आप शिल्पा के साथ वर्कआउट करके केवल फॉलो करके उस रूटीन को प्रैक्टिकली उस तरह से बन सकते हैं. सो हमारा कोशिश यही है कि हम इसे एक कंटेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म बनाएं, प्लेटफॉर्म के अनुसार कंटेंट को बनाएं. जहां 20 मिनट की जरूरत है वहां 20 मिनट, जहां 40 मिनट वहां 40 मिनट, और जहां 30 सेकंड है वहां 30 सेकंड, और उसको राइट फॉर्मेट में पैकेज करके अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें. बिकॉज उतना ही डिमांड और उतनी ही अपील फिटनेस की वर्ल्ड वाइड है एज वेल एज बॉलीवुड की है. And it was just extremely lucky for us that we could get somebody who truly believes in fitness like Shilpa, and not trying to even become the sole owner, but lending all her talent, helping us develop it with the experts who will be slowly introduced to you. Thank you.
Ma'am, Tiger, Manish, I think for the photo opportunity now for the entire media, if you could all come together. थोड़ा आगे, थोड़ा आगे, थोड़ा आगे. Okay. I think we can start from right and go towards the left, एक एक करके, right? Whoa! Then your flying jet move. Super. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Tiger. Thank you so much. But I do have a question. वो जो expertise है, मतलब fit, हाँ, I knew it. जवाब होगा. Should we just make him like? No. Okay. Just kidding. Thank you so much, Tiger.
मिला सोलो 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 प्लीज दीजिए सोलो
टाइगर कभी सेंटर में नहीं जाता, वो अपनी मर्जी से जाता है. यही नहीं सीखा आप लोगों ने अभी तक. Thank you so much, Tiger. Thank you.
खत्म नहीं हुआ
So,
अभी तो पिक्चर
ma'am, the three parts, right? The art of loving food, the art of balance, and the art of strengthening.
तो
Expertise आपका है और
भैया बहुत लिमिटेड नॉलेज है जैसे मैंने बोला आपको तो चैनल की फिलॉसफी अगर आप जाने तो एक्सपर्टीज सबसे पहले तो मैं योगेश जी को बुलाना चाहती हूँ एक फोटो उनके साथ करते हैं वो जा रहे हैं
ladies and gentlemen, the man responsible for Bright Outdoor Media Private Limited.
उनको जाना है बड़ी
योगेश जी
मदद-
ने सोचा चैनल पे जो हो रहा है वो मुझसे तो होगा नहीं. मुझे तो अपना खाना पसंद है.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, so talking about coming back to the philosophy of this channel, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले समझाया, तो possible नहीं है भाई साहब कि मैं सब कुछ करूं, तो I have experts in the field. I'd like to call upon मेरे जो योगा के गुरु हैं, जो बहुत माहिर है अपने जॉब में, अपने कला में, और he's been part of the Bihar School of Yoga. I call him Eknath Guruji, and he just only doesn't do yoga. उनका जो knowledge है बहुत ही vast है. He's done pranic healing courses. He's done there's Yog Vidya and all of that. These are all very small things, but he's done chakra healing. And I really wanted कि लोग इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में भी जाने. योगा तो सब लोग करते हैं, है ना? लेकिन चक्रा हीलिंग के बारे में, प्राणिक हीलिंग के बारे में जो एक्चुअली काम करता है इन क्लेंजिंग योर बॉडी, दोज टेक्निक्स, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी समथिंग वेरी न्यू दैट वी वांट टू गेट put through this medium. I'd like to call Eknath ji on stage.
I did my research also. I'm going to quickly go through this because this is a lot. Bihar School of Yoga से प्राणा विद्या कोर्स जो एक बेसिक कोर्स ऑफ आयुर्वेदा एंड मसाज थेरेपी भी है फ्रॉम कोयम्बतूर. एडवांस योगा कोर्स, सर्टिफिकेट इन प्राणिक हीलिंग, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा इन योगा एजुकेशन फ्रॉम सर
कैवल्य
धाम, डॉक्टर ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी. बोला नहीं जा रहा ना मुझसे.
He's also done courses in naturopathy,
acupressure, yogic studies.
Ayurveda. So it's all encompassing. So I really wanted कि एक ऐसी अथॉरिटी हो मेरे साथ जो मेरी मदद करे. तो ये लोगों को नहीं लगना चाहिए कि ये सिर्फ शिल्पा शेट्टी बोल रही है, बिकॉज आई एम नो अथॉरिटी, आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. मैं मेरी जर्नी अभी बस शुरू हुई है इन एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ. इनके अलावा मेरे साथ कदम से कदम मिला रहे हैं विनोद चन्ना, जो लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारा श्रेय दिया. व्हेन आई लॉस्ट माय 32 kilos, दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ विनोद. He's a celebrity trainer. He's got 22 years of experience in not just one form of bodybuilding. He's been a bodybuilder himself. He's represented national and international, competitions. But other than that, he is someone who's got vast knowledge in a lot of other fields. In nutrition, he's been trained. He can make you lean. He can make you put on weight. And that is the kind of knowledge I wanted. So I'd like to call on stage Vinod Channa. मेरे दो अनमोल रतन, एक है राम एक लखन. So so this is the team, and with them I also have my dear friend Luke, who is helping me. He's very, very expensive. We can't afford him. So I'm going to actually ask him to speak to the people who obviously come on to the website and, give us some of his knowledge, which is really something that comes with a lot of experience. So this is our basic core team. And Manish, you're part of the team, so why are you standing far away? So I really want you to understand that we've all come into it with a dream to see a healthier country, a healthier world. And I really hope you support us in this venture. Eknath ji, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? Guru ji.
Thank you so much, all of you. 1 year back, I met to Shilpa in the Kapil Sharma shows, and Manish told me go and just meet her. So I asked first question to her, ki, what is the meaning of the yoga? What's your opinion about the yoga? And she has said me, to killing ego is the yoga for me. And this is the biggest question. Means I'm really happy to listen her reply, what the reply she has given me. So ego is the one of the biggest part to make you unhealthy. Always, anywhere, everywhere. So, and yoga says that yoga is the complete message for the human body, human mind, and the human soul. And जब इसने कहा कि योगा से हम अपनी ईगो को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, if you control your ego, you can achieve anything in your life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
गुरु जी. विनोद जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? ये जो इंसान मुझे मार रहे हैं जिम में, like I can't tell you, it is so hard to work out with someone like him.
And he's a smiling assassin.
He's
हंसते
really a
हंसते.
smiling assassin. So just sometimes मैं मर रही हूँ because अगर मैं खुद नहीं सीखूँ तो मैं लोगों को कैसे सिखाऊंगी? तो ये जो मैंने चैलेंज लिया है अपनी जिंदगी में, कभी कभी सोचती हूँ जिम में कि क्यों लिया है मैंने चैलेंज, क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं.
अभी भी हंस रहे हैं.
So he says, I have to prepare you so you can prepare other people. तो मैं मर रही हूँ, गिर रही हूँ, चल चल उठ उठ, चल चल चल. He's a strong power.
I always say, मैं rest दे सकता हूँ but no mercy. I'll give you rest but no mercy. You have to start and you have to show, you have to prove yourself. Because you're teaching so many people, you should strong, then only you can perform different techniques and show the people what we can give the people different way.
Super.
So I really am happy that I have this very good team, and I think more importantly, it's a team with heart, and we're all in it because we all share just one goal and one passion, and that's good health. So we're all in it for just that. All the rest is all malai, which is great, but this is what is making me really, really happy that we're able to, you know, we've made this project come alive today. And it's taken a long, long time. बहुत ही सुमड़ी में हम लोग ये कर रहे थे पिछले 6 महीने से, किसी को बोला नहीं हमने. लोग
Almost 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah.
It's actually like a baby being born. This is exactly the feeling I had when I gave birth to my Vian. No, Vian? And
How
this
do
is
you
really
know?
like a baby being born.
He's like nodding yes.
The only difference here is that there is no 32 kilos extra. So I'm really happy. मैं सर झुका के आप सभी का thank you बोलना चाहूँगी. Really from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for all the support and all the love in all my years. And please continue. I always tell all my friends from the media, this is ये जो आप कर रहे हैं ये अच्छा कर्म के लिए करो, बस मेरे लिए मत करिए. I think to be able to give good health to someone is the best gift. Good health is something that I really feel you get only when you're blessed. And so many people are suffering out there. I really hope people have, a direction to go to, and they know if they have an issue or a problem, they know that they can go and log on to the Shilpa Shari channel, and they can get some answers to their queries. I hope I'm able to achieve that. Thank you so very much for being here today.
I can see कि आपके जहन में कुछ सवाल उठ रहे हैं. So we'll get one photo opportunity for the media with all 4 of you. And then you might.
Suren, I love you. Thank you so
ma'am.
much for
Thank
doing
you. Wow. Okay. And then, of course, we'll open the floor for questions for Shilpa and Mani. Oh,
हाँ खड़े फैमिली फोटो मतलब मैं दूंगी वो और सब लोग भाग जाओगे फिर बाहर. Wait.
we have a question.
Any questions? Important ones related to this channel.
सबसे ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ वीडियो ले रही हैं.
Lovely.
Yes, ma'am. And could you please mention your name also?
Hi, Hi Shilpa, this is Priyanka from Indian Express Online. Talking about fitness, I wanted to know that as a woman, what do you think about the media scrutiny and actresses' weight in whites after pregnancy? You know, like recently also, Karina commented that how she felt bad when a website called her overweight after she gave birth to her child.
Delete these websites. Listen, I really think that we're living in a free world. लोग तो बोलेंगे यार, लोगों का काम है बोलना. It doesn't matter. I really think that, like I said, you have to understand what fitness means to you. It shouldn't matter what other people think of you. And I've really, I can understand that emotion, especially as an actor and someone who's been synonymous with having a body and fitness and all of that. So the pressure that I had when I had a baby, I didn't get out of the house for 7 months with the pressure. Firstly, the pressure that nothing fit me, you know. So I remember that the first time I got out of the house, I think 5 months after my delivery, my husband took me out for brunch, and there were few ladies sitting. They were having a kitty, and they laughed. I could hear them, and they said she hasn't still lost her weight. So it is very daunting, and that's the day I decided. I said, "Oh my God!" So people are actually judging me, and that's normal, right? Because when you are an actor, you are going to be judged, and that's part and parcel of being a celebrity. So from that day till the day I lost those 32 kilos, I remember telling Vinod, I said, I have to lose this weight. अब मुझे लगा बच्चा बाहर आ जाएगा तो मतलब पूरा weight भी आएगा बाहर. But बच्चे के बाद you just wait for an opportunity. अच्छा ये अच्छा है यार, ये दूध के लिए अच्छा है, ये खा लेते हैं. ये इसके लिए अच्छा है, ये बच्चे के लिए अच्छा है, तो ये खा लेते हैं. So you're making bahanas. So I'm saying there's a way to even look after your health after pregnancy, you know. And during your pregnancy, I didn't need to put on 32 kilos. You know, seriously, I thought I overate. But saying that, even if you did, what is the big deal? Losing weight is the easiest thing to do if you are focused. That's the point I'm trying to make. I was at my spa where we also do slimming. There was a girl who lost 33 kilos. Yesterday I met her. I swear to God. She said, I had it for 5 years. And I lost it. I lost it in the last 1 year. I've lost 33 kilos in 1 year. So if she could do it, fitness is not about the body. It's about the mind. And fitness is honestly like marriage. If you cheat on it, you can't expect it to work. It's a great line, actually. Yeah, so you cannot cheat. Or you can cheat once. But ऊपर से. देखना मना नहीं है. खा भी सकते हैं, but that is
कल
not
का
cheating.
इनको हेडलाइन मिल गया, आपने क्या कर दिया है?
Oh God.
That's it. This will happen
So
tomorrow.
I'm saying, yeah, you can flirt, but you can't sleep with food.
Your name is ma'am again?
शिल्पा, लोग जज करते हैं लेकिन इंडस्ट्री की बात
अरे आप
करें
है
तो
कहाँ? अपना नाम तो बताइए.
अरे क्या बात है, हेलो ज्योति.
मेरा सवाल ये था कि इंडस्ट्री के लोग कितना जज करते हैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली
तेल लगाने गए यार लोग. Doesn't matter यार. That's what I'm saying. See, that's the first thing I did when I did, I think Nach Baliye. That was the first outing I had after my pregnancy. That was 8 months after I delivered. तो मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. ये ऑफ ही हो गया मैं अच्छा. बहुत डरी हुई थी. कपड़े फिट नहीं हो रहे थे. I was a size 16. I was a size 16. I was double the size that I have ever been in my life. And as I went through the show, obviously जब काम भी कर रहे हैं तो वो भी एक I think that also gives you enough inspiration to kind of, or a goal, you know, for you to set कि अभी यार ऐसे तो नहीं जा सकते. I think you just have to be responsible. Some do it for their loved ones, some do it for their work. I think you have to do it for yourself. I think first and foremost, you have to give yourself importance. And most importantly, I think the only thing that I want you all to take back home from this is please start chewing your food properly. That's where most ailments have started to happen in our lives, because we're not chewing our food properly. don't gulp down water. So if you go with the philosophy of eat your water and chew your, chew your water and and drink your food, that is something that will really go a very, very long way. And breathe, guys. None of you are breathing. You're just living. We are not breathing. Like, inhale, inhale, exhale. None of us are breathing. Our chest is not opening up. There is no positivity going in. There's no negativity coming out. It's all there. It's all becoming into this big volcano और फिर एक दिन तुम लोग सब फट जाओगे. So we need to breathe, guys. And trust me, if you start focusing on these two things, you will be so much more happier, so much more successful. You will be, mentally light. You'll not be fighting with your husband. You will make him better food. Chew and keep your mobile phones away when you guys are eating your food. I think the biggest problem with all of us is that we've got this phone that needs to be surgically removed from our hands. Seriously. I really think that is the one time that you all need to keep your phones aside. Shout at your husband.
सबकी शादी नहीं हुई.
And shout at your wife if you have a wife. Keep the phone aside at that time when you're eating. No phones are allowed when you all are eating. Make these small changes. And हम लोग health की बात कर रहे हैं तो you all must be thinking ये phone के बारे में क्यों बात कर रही है? These are the things that are going to affect your health. The radiation that these phones are emitting. So, and also your children, never ever feed a child with a TV on or an iPad or a phone thing going on. That's a new fad that people have started. I don't know why. There have been researches that have proved that your child's digestion goes down by nearly 40%, Luke. He's nodding. 40%. You're reducing the digestion by 40%. So what actually should be getting digested by your child, you're reducing it by 40%. And you know what? If you make that a pattern, your child will not ask for it. My child does not watch any iPad or any TV while eating. Vian, is it allowed? Children don't lie. So, अगर आप एक पैटर्न बनाओगे तो वो पैटर्न रहेगा. फिर आप अपने बच्चे को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ब्लेम आपको जाता है. So how you are, and when you talk about अरे बड़े को देखते हैं तो अरे पैर छुओ बेटा, नमस्ते करो, लोग क्या समझेंगे हमने अपने बच्चों को अच्छी संस्कृति या we've not taught them good manners. Why can't we have the same kind of belief when we come to eating food? Why can't you inculcate those habits in a child from a young age? That is far more important and that will go down a very long way for your child. So start today, guys. I really hope this is not a lecture, this is not a preaching session. I really want people to enjoy and take back home something positive. This is really, I'm meeting up with friends.
Watch her channel if you're on the phone. Simple.
No, don't even watch my channel while I'm eating. No, I will not even promote that.
Watch the channel on their phone since they're going to consume it. Any more questions?
No, I think they're fed up.
There's one. All the girls only are asking
this
questions.
Is, Jayanti from Zicho Vistas. Shilpa, I just wanted to ask you, how's your routine? How does your day start? And
Don't ask.
You have a cheat day, so you can just share something about that.
The cheat day, though, everybody knows about it because it's on Instagram now. My husband is fed up because anytime I eat something, I make him record. I say, record karo. ये बड़ा पंगा हो गया. I said, no, I want people to see that I eat. लोगों को लगता है कि अरे यार बहुत वर्कआउट करती है, ये तो खाती नहीं है. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. So,
on a cheat day, what all do you eat?
I eat everything. I love food. Anybody who knows me will know that I love food. I am a Mangalorean. I love mutton. I
Fish.
love biryani. I love fish fry. I eat it. और सबसे बड़ी ये प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों की गिल्ट में आधे लोग मर गए. गिल्ट के साथ प्लीज मत जियो. I think that's the worst thing to happen. And when guilt seeps in with the emotion of food, my God, that's even worse. So never live with guilt. अगर आपको कुछ खाना है, please खा लीजिए. Never live with guilt. think that you're going to burn it out. So I eat. Of course, I'm human. There are some days that I have 2 cheat days, or sometimes 2.5.
Vinod sir is nodding.
Yeah, but I never feel guilty about it. I'll work out more, then he kills me more. So, and it's, see, you have to think about, I obviously have to think about, you know, if I eat that, how am I going to, you know, be able to inspire other people? So for me, I feel now on, this is my duty. I have taken this on as my duty. This is part of my karma. And that's how I want to continue to live the rest of my life. Some people may not like it. Some people may like it. Some people may follow it. Some people may not. Whatever is their karam, and whatever I can do, I'm going to promise I'm going to do through this channel. And that's that, guys. I've said so much.
I know. I hope you got your answer, because you were looking away. I caught you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for turning up. I'm sure कि उठ चुके हैं camera. Super family photo. Shamita, ma'am, Raj, Yan.
I think what's
LX
going to
solo.
be really fab is also I'm doing an entire series with Shamita. So she's also really hot. And I'm soon going to be launching that. So we're going to do a sister workout. That's actually something under wraps. So I really want to do stuff that is that you can do with your own partner.
You knew about this,
sister,
right?
With your friend. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. One second.